Hey everybody, my name is Michael Bork and I'm from Boston Engineering. Today I'd like to give you a preview of how to use flexible modeling inside Creo Parametric. So first I'll give you a demonstration. I've got this mold here that is from SolidWorks, and after producing the mold I realized I need to apply a shrink value. So I'm going to show you how I can do that with flexible modeling. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you the effect of what I get. I've been able to offset that by a certain value. Let me go back and show you how I did it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click any area that I want. I'll click this surface here. I'm going to go over to the flexible modeling tab up here, and I'm going to click boss or bosses. Any of these that capture all the geometry that I wish to offset. So in this case, I would like to get all of these as cuts, and now all that has been selected, and now I have this option. I can click offset, and I can give it a value, and I actually want to go the opposite direction, and so I'll give it a value of 0.05, I think is the number that the mold guys gave me, and there you go. I've been able to modify that by that distance that I can control actually with a value. Notice here that I can actually right click this and keep changing this dimension as much as I want. Let's say that I want to change it to 0.025 after doing some testing. So that is it. That is flexible modeling and how powerful it is. Let me give you one other little trick that you can do with it as well. Is let's say I want to remove one of these holes. I can do that by clicking this. Clicking the option that finds the feature that I want, which looks to be right there as the cut, and I can actually come over here and say remove, and then I click OK, and now it's been removed. Now it's not there, and again, this is a SolidWorks part, so I've been able to do all this very simply in Creo Parametric with flexible modeling, which is one of my favorite features in Creo Parametric. So that's it. That's the demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.